Alrighty guys, so this is our third and final video of this series. It is a walkthrough going over the problems on page 42 and 43. The first one was on problems 1 through 4, that first column. The second video is on problems 5 through 8, that second column on page 42. And then this video will be just the challenge questions that are at the top of page 43, problems 9 and 10. So just to recap, these are the solutions that we have crossed off so far. So far, we've had no infinite solutions. X equals 12 is still available. So is x equals 2. We have no solution as a possibility, as well as x equals 6 and x equals negative 3. So let's go ahead and dive in. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm kind of tired of making videos at this point, so I want to be done too. I'm sure you're tired of watching them too. Okay, so number 9, we have negative 10 plus x is equal to, that's why they're saying this is a challenge. We get some nice fractions in here. So 5 times the quantity of 1/2. 1/5. I know how to read. That says 1/5. Okay, so that means nothing. Ignore that. 1/5 x plus 2. Okay, so first step, distributive property or flipping. So here I have some distributive over here on the right, which means I'm going to keep the left the same for this first step. So I'm just going to bring down negative 10 plus x. Over here, I have some distributing to do. So I have 5 times 1/5. Okay, now to multiply fractions, I need this one to be a fraction too. But since it's a whole number, I'm just going to put it over 1. So I have 5 ones and 1/5. Okay, so if I multiply these straight across, 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. So I have 5 over 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 5 times 1/5 is 1. Okay, and again, if multiplying a whole number times a fraction is something you're a little bit rusty on, I'm not going to go over it in this video or really this year, right? That's something that you should already know how to do. So let me know and I will hook you up with some video suggestions on how to practice that. Okay, so I'm going to replace this right here. 5 times 1/5 is 1. And then 1x. So I didn't really need to write the 1, but that's okay. 5 times 2 is 10. So I have negative 10 plus x is equal to x plus 10. Okay. So first step is to simplify if needed, but there isn't anything that I can combine. So instead, I'm going to just go ahead and jump down to adding and subtracting x's from one side. Now you might notice something weird here because on both sides, I just have one x, right? We don't write the 1 in front of x, but it's assumed that it's just one of them. Okay, so I'm going to take away that x from both sides. Now on the left, I have negative 10, and on the right, I have positive 10. Now this was just like another one that we had where I had negative 7 is equal to 7. And those two are never equal to each other, right? There is no possible way that those two could be equal. So your answer for this one is also no solution. They clearly like to use this special case. Okay, so they used all 3 no solutions. All right, and then last but not least is number 10. This one again has a fraction in it, which is probably the reason why it's a challenge. So I have 1/2 times the quantity of 2 minus 4x plus 2x, and that is equal to 13. So that right side is nice and easy. It's just 13. All right, so first step, I'm going to go ahead and distribute, which means I'm multiplying 1/2 times 2, and then 1/2 times negative 4x. Okay, so 1/2 of 2 is just 1. 1/2 of negative 4x, think about just negative 4, right? 1/2 of negative 4 is negative 2x. And I still have plus 2x is equal to 13. 13. You know what? I think they messed up because okay, so here negative 2x plus 2x means that those are going to cancel out, right? Which means that I just have 1 is equal to 13. And again, that's never going to be the case, which means that this one is also no solution. Hopefully I didn't mess up on any of the other ones and they just didn't leave enough options, because we already crossed out all of our no solutions, but this one is also a no solutions. Okay, well, those are the 2 challenge problems. Both of them are a no solution. Hopefully this video helped, and I will be back tomorrow to go ahead and answer those questions for you. We're going to spend a little bit more time working on these kinds of equations because I think you guys still need some more practice and then possibly a quiz retake. So hopefully you were able to get through this whole page during your class period. I know these videos were long, and I apologize, but I think that they will be helpful if you take the time to watch them. All right, bye guys.